Mangalem, Berat Albania. Mangalem is a historic neighborhood located in the city of Berat, Albania. It is situated on the left bank of the Osum River and is known for its well-preserved Ottoman-era architecture. The neighborhood is characterized by narrow cobblestone streets, stone houses with red-tiled roofs, and numerous mosques and churches. The Mangalem neighborhood is one of the two main historic neighborhoods in Berat, the other being Gorica, located on the opposite side of the river. Together, they form the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Berat and Gjirokastra, the historic centers. Visitors to Mangalem can explore its winding streets and alleys, visit its mosques and churches, and enjoy stunning views of the city from the hilltop fortress of Berat Castle, which is located above the neighborhood. Some of the most notable landmarks in Mangalem include the King Mosque, Xhamia e Mbretit, the Halveti Teqe, a Sufi shrine, and the Onufri Museum, which houses a collection of religious icons. Mangalem is also home to a number of traditional restaurants and cafes, where visitors can sample local Albanian cuisine and enjoy views of the Osum River and the surrounding hills.